and welcome to Open House 2021. We are grateful for your partnership and thankful you have chosen Miami-Dade County Public Schools for your child's educational journey. Tonight is the perfect opportunity to meet your child's teachers and school leadership and get an in-depth look at the school's learning environment and curriculum offerings. Our team of talented, world-class professionals is here to ensure your child thrives and flourishes this year, regardless of the challenges our community may face due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The key to a child's success extends beyond the classroom. You play a critical role in family engagement and effective communication between school and home. By participating in tonight's open house, you are demonstrating your dedication to your child's education and academic achievement. Please take full advantage of this important night. I encourage you to connect not only with your child's teacher and school administration, but other parents as well. MDCPS remains committed to safeguarding the mental and physical well-being of our students. Please visit backtoschool.dadeschools.net to access the latest information, including available resources, COVID-19 protocols, the Parent's Guide to Reopening, as well as helpful phone numbers to support you. On behalf of the school board, I thank you for your unwavering support of public education. Together, we are creating a future full of infinite possibilities for our children.
Good evening and welcome to the 2021 Open House at Coral Gables Senior High School. We'd like to thank you for being a part of your child's education and for working together with your teachers and the school to ensure your child's success. Throughout the evening, you'll receive information regarding your child's courses, as well as methods of communicating with your child's teachers. To receive Zoom information links, please be sure to visit our website, www.coralgablescavaliers.org, where you'll be able to join the different Zoom sessions during the transitional time in between each of your child's periods. We also encourage you to monitor your child's progress via the parent portal. Other important contact information, including administration and student services or counselors, can be found by visiting our school's website. We look forward to a successful school year and for working together with you to prepare your child for life beyond high school. We thank you and hope that you have a great evening. Always remember, go Cavs.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Dash, and I'm your friendly neighborhood adult ed principal. I want to welcome everyone here to the open house at the Coral Gables Senior High School. Welcome, Cavaliers. So many of you are probably asking, why two principals? One principal works during the day for the K-12 program, and I work during the evening for your adult education programs. We have a variety of programs here for adults and for our high school students that we partner with to assist. You can check on our website, and always remember we're open from Monday through Thursday, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Welcome once again, and have a great year.
Good evening, parents. This is Bill Beardsley, president of the PTSA, Parent Teacher Student Association. What do? Two things. First of all, we provide funding for programs that are not covered by the large school budget. Secondly, we advocate for programs to support the upbringing, both emotional and academic, for your child. In order to do both of these, we need money. And one of the sources of that money is from memberships from parents such as yourself. If you've already ordered uniforms on MemberHub, then you know where to go. Go back to MemberHub. In the drop-down menu, you're going to see an area called Memberships, and then just click on Parent Guardian. It's $10. Super easy. Please do it. It's going to support not only the school, but also your child. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.